Hi everyone, I'm Roberto Coscia, and today we will discuss about Jules because this is basically something really interesting and they're different from Cursor, Lovable, Bot.new because it integrates with GitHub right away. It already automatically create commands inside it to update your branches, but it also integrates very well with a task planner, which means that it is able, based on your prompts, to create plans which are very accurate and they can execute actions on your repository in parallel, which is with basically the Google Gemini latest 2.5 Pro model. This is fantastic. It's called Jules, as I said, and this is a competitor that came out the same day or similar day near the Codex from OpenAI. And as you can see, it can perform different actions. So, it's an asynchronous coding agent. It can perform bug fixing, version bump, test, and fixing the code. It integrates with GitHub. It runs a virtual machine to clone your repository and do action to it. It tests it, and it makes sure that it works, and then show you the diff of the changes that it made. Also, it shows you the plan that is made that you can click and act on it, and it then publish the branch, and even can do an audio summary of what it has done. I actually used it. I was really impressed. The only cons I would say that probably I would have preferred to see here was also the possibility to see the result in the UI, because then once I had completed the result, first of all, it published the branch online, but you have to then, once you commit, you have to push yourself to the main branch in the end to merge to the master. Well, which is another action to take separately from Jules. Secondly, you have to then clone locally anyway, or use another platform that can do that, and to view the UI, to run in local and view the UI. So I would have preferred to actually see quickly the result and then plan to see something to be a bit more like Lovable and Bot.new. But I'm really impressed. It's just the beginning, and this is gonna be just better, better, and better. I'm very impressed. I invite you to use it. I think you can join the waitlist, but you can just use it. I'm not sure about the pricing. I think it's something to be defined. You can try Jules just clicking here, and it will open, like as you can see, my repository with the project I selected. And I can ask here any question, any action that want to be done, and it will start doing it. I can just basically leave and come back and then see the result. I don't have any much more to say, but it's something I wanted to show because if, for example, we have a competitor which was actually the first creating this, and which is Codex from OpenAI. That I'm not sure if it's still possible to run it. I have the pro version of ChatGPT, which make me think that probably it can. No, here it say that it cannot be used in the Plus user. You must have ChatGPT Pro, which is the $200 per month version. As you can see, it does a similar thing, and it does basically the same. But Jules is something I wanted to present it because it's currently usable. You can use it, and it was faster in the delivery, and you can play with it. Um, in my experience, working on an app, which is a dating app, which I'm doing, um, let me know if in the comment if you want to know more about it. I asked to fix a specific action. It actually did it, but then when I run the code locally and I checked the code, there was some error, which I fixed anyway by GitHub Copilot, the free version, and then actually did the task that I asked to do, and it completed them well. And the error that was displaying was very simple error, which means they did a lot of good work. So shout out to Jules. Let me know what you think about it. If you used it, how did you use it? Because probably it can be. I'm very curious to know if it does more than what I just said, and I'm very curious to share with you guys what can be done. I see it's very exciting that basically a platform can build code from scratch, plan can start where you can plan and to code by itself, and you have a human in the loop just to double check and give further instructions. It's hinting me the world we're heading to. I'm very curious about it. Obviously, also uh, I wonder where this is bring at. Let me know what you think, and that's it. See you in the next video.